finished soldering this oscilloscope and oscilloscope kit, and then now we got this music IC. So I'm just gonna plug this in to power. So see what we can do. So now you can see a beautiful Squarewave. If I press OK while it's running, it stops, and for some reason you could, okay, so see the boxes around that, right? That means I can increase the time frame with the plus button, or I can decrease the time with this button. Okay, so
which kind of wave? Sinusoidal wave? Or
no, it's a square wave.
A square wave. Okay.
So we're going with, so for sinusoidal we need to switch to AC. For ground we need to switch, like for ground waves that means we have to read. Okay, so then for AC, I don't have anything for AC right now. And here we can, okay, I'm just gonna play. So here we can increase the sensitivity 1 volt. So up here will be 1 volt, but here we can change it from 1 times 1 volt, 2 times 1 volt, or 5 times 1 volt. So 5 volts here, 2 volts here, 1 volt here. Now if we change the sensitivity like by 10 times, so now we got 0.1 volt, 0.2 volt, 0.5 volt, and then 0.01 volt, 0.02 volt, 0.05 volt. So that's those up there. And the cell select, so you keep pressing it, it goes, and then it'll go up there, and then it goes over here. And at this point, I'm just going to turn it off. Actually, wait. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to hit that. So now if I select that, then I can change the timing. Like, it takes a while, but
okay, I'm stopping.
yeah, and then here you can go a bit forward there, and then select again. See the middle line, so you can bring it up or down,
Okay.
depending on what purpose we have.